YouTube, I'm Ricky. Today we're going to make gluten-free brownies with Grandma.
Recently, I entered a giveaway on Instagram. It was done on the Easy Gluten Free page, and she partnered with Namaste Foods. I received these 3 gluten-free mixes. I'm really looking forward to trying them all. Today, I'm going to try the gluten-free brownie mix. I'll leave a link down below to Easy Gluten Free's YouTube and Instagram page, as well as Namaste's information. In a large bowl, we're combining 3 eggs, some oil, and water.
Here's the water. Pour it in.
And we're going to mix that up.
Now we're going to add the mix. Now we're going to mix the chocolate. I'm going to put some chocolate chips on the brownies. We're going to put it on. These are going to be some really yummy brownies. Into the oven it goes.
The brownies took 42 minutes to bake. They smell absolutely wonderful. Look at that beautiful fudgy texture. I can't wait to try them.
Let's try the brownies.
Okay, buddy.
That's really good.
Alrighty. Well, we'll definitely want to make the Namaste brownies again.
Thank you for watching my video. Peace, love, and joy. Peace out.